Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Omaya and I would love for you guys to subscribe if you haven't already so you can be notified every single time I upload a video to my channel. And no, you're not seeing double. We get this question asked like all the time, right?
Yeah.
If we're twins. And we're not twins. However, we have twin brothers. So the genes in this family is super strong. We pretty much look alike.
Yeah.
Right? When all
I think
four
by
of
the
us
end of
are
the
out,
video, we're definitely gonna look alike.
definitely by the end of the video, we're gonna look like twins. And today we will be making a hijab tutorial. So you guys have been asking me for hijab tutorials, for a hijab update. And although I've made so many of these videos previously on my YouTube channel, I'm guessing I'm just getting new subscribers by the day and you guys just don't want to see the old videos. So today I just thought I'll show you guys a more detailed hijab tutorial using my sister Suhaila. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready. Ready whenever you are.
Okay, Suhaila, so do you want me to use a chiffon hijab or a jersey hijab?
Chiffon.
Chiffon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jersey's too tight.
It's too tight. Yeah, I usually use jerseys for like the gym or when I do some sort of like workout.
Yeah.
But my everyday hijab is a chiffon, so great choice. So to start, I'm going to put my sister's hair in a bun. To do that, I will use this scrunchie from Hijab. The reason why I love this one is because it's made out of velvet. It's just super gentle on your hair. I really, really love it.
I can't even see the back of my hair, but I can tell it's not a bun. Okay.
It's just so much harder to do, like to do someone else's hair than to do your own, you know? Because I'm not used to doing like hijab styles on other people. I know how to do it on myself, but I don't practice on other people. But I did. Can you feel it now?
Yeah,
It's a very low bun.
Yeah.
And that's what we want. You know what's so funny? Before, like long time ago, if you were to see my old hijab tutorials, I used to put this like huge volumizing scrunchie.
I remember.
And like I remember people commenting like, Omaya, no, don't do that. It's way too big. It's not cute. It's not attractive. But you couldn't tell me that then. I thought it was like, I was all that back then. But now that I look back to those old videos, I'm really like questioning. I'm questioning like, what were you guys, like why were you guys watching my videos? It just looks so bad. But yes, I got rid of that scrunchie, so there's no huge scrunchies on the back of my head. I just use this velvet one because it's just so good to my hair. It doesn't break my hair. It's just super gentle. So now that I've put Suhaila's hair in a low bun, the next step, and I would say the most important step, is to find yourself a good hijab cap. I'm telling you, it's crucial. Like, do not skip this step because I get a lot of questions on how do I keep my hijab like sitting on my head and not like falling off. A big reason for it is because of the hijab caps that I use. So I'm going to show you guys the different kinds that I like to use. This one is from Veiled Collection. I love this one so much because it's stretchy, doesn't feel too tight. I like the way that it feels on my head. The next hijab cap is from Modanisa, and the reason why I love it so much is because it's made out of cotton, it's super gentle on my head and my hair. And last but not least, I really love these two strings because I'm able to adjust how tight or how loose I want it to be. This last hijab cap is going to be a little bit difficult for you guys to see. The design on it, it's a crisscross hijab cap, and also at the very back it comes with two strings and you're able to adjust how tight or how loose you want a hijab cap on your head. Okay, so question is, do you want your hijab cap to show or to not show?
Not show.
Not to show. Okay, so if you did want your hijab cap to show, I would suggest for you to use the crisscross hijab because of the beautiful detail that you would have here at the front. But since she doesn't want it to show, we can go for either one of these. So we're gonna put it on. I'm gonna watch.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. Okay, going to be very careful with your makeup.
Let us not be careful.
Ooh, what? I did it.
You
It didn't even touch your makeup. I'm gonna push this back. Okay, so now that it's adjusted to her face, with the hair that's showing in the back, I'm just going to tuck it inside of the hijab cap so I don't have it hanging.
And I'm gonna like tuck it really good in there and also tuck any other hair that's showing.
Now that we've covered the hair, the next step and the last step is to put on the hijab. And today I'll be using a crepe chiffon. I love this material. I think it's from Veiled Collection. I love this one so much because it's so gentle. It's just light. It's super light and it just looks so elegant. It matches your top very well. So the first thing I like to do is to even out both sides. Equal parts. I love the concept of a hijab magnet. These are just so amazing and they're so strong, so it will keep your hijab in place. I want you guys to see how strong they are. Like they're not moving. They're not gonna go anywhere once it's placed on your hijab.
All I know are like the safety pins or the long ones.
Like those super long pins.
I used to, when I discovered this, I was like, oh my god, it's amazing. But it wasn't because it was sticking out like this.
Oh my god,
do you remember that?
Yeah, they were not amazing at all. They were just so big and it looked so weird. It looked like a little brooch, a colorful brooch.
Oh my
on
god.
your hijab, those big ones, or the white and
big
black
ones with like the flowers and stuff. I know a lot of people like that. I personally don't. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I don't like any pins showing whatsoever. But if it is gonna show, I want it to look like elegant, to look nice, and interesting. Because a lot of people are always like, "Oh, I like that. What is that on your hijab?" So there are these. The hijab magnets come in different colors.
You've actually never worn like any warm or nude colors before.
No, that's all you wear.
Yeah.
I'll do like royal blue, fuchsia. I don't know why. I don't know.
What I'm going to do is frame the hijab around her face, and
Don't get my double chin.
there's no double chin. And now I'm going to place this magnet on one end of the hijab and place the other magnet on the other side of the hijab. And ta-da! See?
And it doesn't even move.
No, it does not move. It's very, very strong.
Okay, so now we're starting to look more like twins. I really
Now
love
everyone's
it.
really gonna be confused.
Yeah, they're gonna be like, are you sure you're not twins? The final step is taking these two ends and
Crisscrossing and flipping it towards the back. This part of his chest shows a little bit, so I'm going to just like give you more of a coverage around your chest area. But pretty much this is my everyday hijab style.
super easy, comfortable, convenient. You're not gonna take longer than 30 seconds putting on this hijab. Now, another way that I like to wear my hijab is
Putting one of these sides down.
so this is probably what you see me in most of the time. I would say like 99.9 of the time. This is how I like to wear my hijab. So again, I'm gonna take this back. So you have your two sides here. So you leave this side hanging while you take this other side and wrap it around and place it towards the back. I truly love this style because it's so convenient, doesn't take much time. What do you think, Suhaila?
I like it.
Yeah?
And it's very quick and easy.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
And this is not how you used to wear your hijab
Oh.
when you used to go to school, at Islamic school.
They don't want you to. They don't want to see how we used to do it.
We used to look so different.
And it would take forever.
Oh
and
my-
it didn't even look nice. I don't know why it took forever.
Yeah, oh my god.
But what makes the difference is the quality. For sure.
Yeah, the fabric.
The fabric of the scarf.
This is not a sponsored video, by the way. This is just me showing you my favorite brands and materials and like what I like to use for myself. Now let's do a comparison. Sit side by side. Let's see how alike do we look.
This feels so weird because Suhaila is usually not in a hijab, so to see her with a hijab on, I feel like I'm staring in the mirror.
We have a mirror in front of us, so this is scary looking at each other right now.
It's so funny. We look so alike. Mine is like the wrinkles on the side of my eyes.
You're great.
Oh, this is what it used to look like 7 years ago. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know if there's any other videos you would like for us to film next. Maybe we can do something together, like a vlog. Let us know what you would like to see from us, inshallah. Please don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. Suhaila Zein, Omaya Zein. Thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll see you next week. Ta-da!